Hello, here an unboxing video for my new darts. In previous unboxing I show you this dart, this marvelous dart, the dart designed by Target, the Elysian 2. And yeah, it is now 1 year later, so it's unbox time from the new generation. I will open the box, this box, and show you more. So, really awesome box. The design is the same like the Generation 2, and in my opinion also the Generation 1, but I don't know if that's right. So I will open the box to show you more about this marvelous dart. At the right side, a nice booklet. I will make some pics and post them on my Instagram account, Wim1, so you can read it and download it for yourself if you want. I think it needed at least 2 posts to post it totally, so I will do that. So at the left side you can see already the flights. And you can see only 200 darts are made of the steel points. This is number 92. So also nice to have the specific thing. At the left side a nice box. The same leather case like the Generation 2, only now blue and black at the inside. This is a nice colorway setup and small changes, and the leather case to wear them on your neck or something during your competition is in blue. So this is a nice change and make it specific. So now you see the darts, and it's nice to show you the resemblance or the difference. And when I picked up the dart, I feel it's really great grip. It sticks on your fingers, so it's like a barbell which I used in my previous sport careers. This is really awesome. I find the blue changes in the dart very nice. The carbon look, very nice. The flights, okay. The top is the same like the previous darts, like here, only now in black, but this is in silver color. You can see I throw a lot of time with it, so the grip is a little bit less, but most of all this stays good. So I hopefully this is a better improvement, but this feels really great. This grip is awesome. So I show you more because there are more in the box, of course, like the second generation. You use some extra flights. I won't use this. I will use other flights. The long shafts, the short, and the in between. So I will also try to use them in my first throw. So wait a moment and I will throw some darts. I'll change the camera position because it's much easier to hold the camera while I'm throwing some darts. So wait a moment, because at my left side I will hold the camera and throwing the darts with my right. So I put the points of the darts in my mouth so I won't say anything. So wait a moment please. It's throwing very nice, very straight, and yeah, but normally I throw always triple 20, of course. Aha. So I will show you next time some sneaker unboxing again. But I'm very pleased to have this dart in my collection. See you next time.